questions, yeah? Now, Sheebah, first of all, but Merry Christmas! How has 2025 been for you as a year?
Honestly speaking, my favorite year. But
what's favorite?
I'm so in love with this amazing little human being, and I've never been happier. Alhamdulillah.
Amina.
And I wish this happiness for each and everybody. You deserve it.
Mothers in the building, make some noise! So now, you being a mother and an artist, how is it balancing it for the very first time? How is it feeling?
Honestly, I tried so much to tell Mama, and I know I became a mother, but I'm still Sheebah Kalungi Teyevuma. I don't want to lose the qualities that made me that woman, so I keep on fighting so that I don't lose that woman, but at the same time, I want to be an exceptional mother. So I try and balance both. It's not easy, but I'm trying my best. Mothers, you know what?
Yeah, man. Now the last one. What about it? What about the big Queenie? Queenie good. To my whatever. Yeah, no, but I know you've seen this happening. You've seen it going around. Do you feel disrespected as the queen?
No. I mean, honestly speaking, if all I wanted was respect, I wouldn't have worked. I wouldn't have done anything in this industry, because most of the times we are disrespected. But the thing is, as a woman, it's your birthright to be called queen.
Now, queens in the building, make some noise! Nice.
So no one owns that title. You're a queen, honey. You're a queen. You're a queen.
Now, ladies and gentlemen, that's why she's the queen of queens, alright? Are you ready to party? Make some noise one more time!
This costume dysfunction happens every now and then, eh? So you guys need to protect us. You understand, eh? I'll come for you. I'm joking, guys. Protect us, okay? Protect my nipples, my baby's nipple. DJ. I have a new song. I hear some bullshit like darkness can't make lightness. I don't know who created that bullshit. But guess what? We all people, we under one God, we serve one God, and that's one God. Whether I want it or not, we serve one God. DJ! If you have some fun, let me see your hands up. If you have some fun, let me see your hands up. Alright, I love that, thank you so much. Guys, I've seen so many beautiful ladies in the house. And I have my single brother in the house. I need him to get married this coming year, 2026. Guys, are you with me? Abachara kati sawa. CV is open. Thank you so much for coming. I love you so much. Merry Christmas and a Happy New Year. May God bless you. Enjoy your holidays with your families. May God protect you and guide you. Bless.